In every language, the most common word occurs twice as often as the second most common word, 3 times as often as the third most common word, and so on. For example, in English, the most common word the occurs in 7% of all spoken words. The second most common word of occurs in 3.5% of all spoken words, and the pattern continues. This phenomenon is called Zipf's law, and it's one of the biggest mysteries in linguistics because nobody's exactly sure why it happens. Zipf himself proposes the principle of least effort, the idea that nobody wants to work more than necessary to be understood, so that results in an approximately equal distribution of effort. Another explanation is the preferential attachment model, which says that words get more popular at the expense of other words that are then said less frequently. But it could also just be statistically likely that random words are going to sort themselves into this distribution. Like, if you put a monkey in front of a typewriter, it should still create words that follow Zipf's law because it's more likely to hit certain letters than others. At the same time, it really does seem like natural languages are more complex than that. Like, if you take this graph showing the distribution of words in War and Peace, and then you divide away Zipf's law, there are still patterns to how the words are distributed that we can't fully explain either.